Fly away, fly away. I'm your president.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gavo TV here with another video. And today, I'm gonna show y'all 5 different ways to make money online. Let's get straight into the video. The first way for y'all boys to make money is freelancing. So look, with freelancing, you can offer your skills and services online. You feel me? Like, do like freelancing platforms. Like, they got Upwork, they got Fiverr, they got Freelancer. All those platforms, you can sit there and use it to get clients. And like, let's say if you have a skill such as graphic designing, writing, programming, whatever, you can use your skills and offer your skills to other people and make money off that. Boom. Second way, you got online service and market research. You can participate in online service and market research studies to earn money, you feel me? Because companies are willing to pay for opinions and feedback on their products, stuff like that. It's called Survey Junkie, Swag Bucks, and Vendor Research. And then for the third one, right, you can do e-commerce. You can start an e-commerce business by selling products online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, stuff like that. And you can create your own products too, you feel me? You can also include like selling digital products, like NFTs and stuff like that, and ebooks, courses, templates, all that. The fourth one, affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn commission on sales made through like affiliate links. So you can use ClickBank, you can use Amazon Associates, you can use ShareSafe. And the fifth way to make money online is online teaching and coaching. You can teach or coach others through online platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coach.me. And that right there is 5 ways to make money online. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We out.